Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 11th to the 23rd. This is what the patterns forecast look like. The models are in good agreement with this. We have a trough here with an upper low over the Aleutians extending to off the west coast. And we had another trough here over the southeast and the mid Atlantic region and the western Atlantic. And it's also showing strong positive height anomalies across Canada and the west central U.S. So the models are pretty much in agreement with this. A trough off the west coast will continue to impact the west with precipitation. Heavy precipitation is likely across California Thursday and Friday. Temperatures will be above normal across the Rockies to the northern plains by as much as 20 to 30 degrees ahead of the trough. We're going to look now at the period for December 14th to the 18th. Here's 14th. This is GFS again. The models are pretty much in agreement with this. We have our upper low and trough here off the west coast and over the southeast western Atlantic, and we still have an area of positive height anomalies across the west central states. Now, as we go forward into time, I'm going to go to the end of the period. You can see what the GFS is forecasting here: a trough across western North America, and we have a ridge over east central North America, and the trough is further to the east. During this time, the PNA and the AO index forecast to be positive, and that keeps the pattern pretty much what it is right now. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region. Now we're going to look at the period for December 19th to 23rd. Here's the 19th. This is the GFS. Still, we have the GFS has a trough extending from the Bering Sea, northeast Pacific, down across the western U.S. with above normal heights across the east central North America. Now, some of the models differ, like they keep the trough further offshore. And like I said, above normal heights are forecast across this region. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting a little change in the temperature anomaly. And for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation for Washington and Oregon and below normal precipitation here. Just an indication that still looking for a change in the pattern around Christmas time. And it should break this pattern that we're in with a zone of flow across much of the nation, as it'll be a storm around that time, and that'll be the pattern breaker. So we'll look into that more later. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 11th to the 23rd. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.